Welcome to this clinical training video on NG tube insertion. This guide is designed to provide nursing professionals with a clear, step-by-step approach to ensure procedural competency and patient safety throughout the process. Safe practice begins with thorough preparation. Always verify patient identity using 2 identifiers, and clearly explain the procedure to reduce anxiety. Assess nares patency to choose the best nostril. Establish a clear stop signal for patient comfort, and review the patient's medical history before beginning. Accurate measurement is critical to prevent complications. First, gather all necessary sterile supplies. Then, measure the NEX distance from the nose to the earlobe and down to the xiphoid process. Mark this specific distance on the tube to ensure correct insertion depth. Proper positioning facilitates easier passage and reduces aspiration risk. Place the patient in a High-Fowler's position at 90 degrees with their head supported. Lubricate the tube tip to minimize trauma and ensure all your equipment, including suction, is ready and functional. During insertion, advance the tube gently along the nasal floor. Once it reaches the nasopharynx, ask the patient to tilt their chin toward their chest. Instruct them to swallow sips of water as you advance the tube. If the patient coughs or shows distress, stop immediately and withdraw. Never initiate feeding or medications before verifying placement. Aspirate gastric contents and check the pH. A reading of 5.5 or lower confirms placement. If results are ambiguous, obtain radiographic confirmation. Always secure the tube firmly to the nose, without applying pressure to the nares. Finally, maintain clinical excellence through systematic validation. Document all tube specifications, insertion details, and patient tolerance. Perform ongoing maintenance, including regular patency checks, mucosa inspections, and oral hygiene, to ensure continued safety and comfort.